Oh. Here, I got 3. Oh, dang it. There it is. Oh, I got this one. Here's my cousin. So I was gonna pass it to you. Yo, I'm not got anything yet. Ha ha ha. Now you get to be on YouTube. Ha ha ha.
Yay!
I've already been on YouTube like a lot of times. Oh no, see, stuck your tongue out again. I got steel birds for you guys. Birdies. Oh no. Okay. It usually lasts like a long time after 20%. They'll say it like 50 times, but then... Oh, that's a bird. People, look at all the people. Look at the apples. Looks funny. Look at my apple. If you can... There we go. Come apple. There's our apple. Woo!
Yay.
Come to my apple. Let's do the apples. I don't see any birds.
I don't see any birds at all.
There's one right there. And there's one on her hand.
Oh, you know what I mean.
They all flew away.
That's because it's too crowded.
Yeah. There's so many people and they're just like, oh my gosh, what do I know? I had one for a couple seconds. I think it's still there. I'll just stand right here. Hopefully a bird comes to me. Look at my apple. Yeah. I haven't had much yet. Look, he's got 2 over there. He's so cool.
Go find a bird. Your mom lives here.
Let's go to the crowd. Look at this big crowd. Let's go to it. I'm talking to my iPod. I'm not a crazy person. I'm just talking to my iPod. There's a lot of them over there. There's a lot of birds over there where all the people are. Look how cute that bird is. There you go. Woo. Here, let me...